Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 completed recently, and HP has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode would only focus on that new HP DragonFly G4 laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As mentioned, we will now discuss the HP DragonFly G4. In this particular version, this is the slate blue version. This particular laptop comes here with the Windows 11 professional operating system while using an Intel 13th generation processor. In addition, this laptop includes 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory that is soldered down. In this particular natural silver version, this uses a MIPI 5 megapixel 88-degree field of view camera with Sure privacy shutter. In addition, this laptop has two USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports with 40 gigabytes of speed with power, display, and charging capabilities. Furthermore, this laptop includes a super speed USB Type-A with 5 gigabits per second with fast charging. This particular slate blue version has a 13.5-inch and a 3:2 aspect ratio and includes the following configurations. You can have a UWXGA display with 400 nits, bright view non-touch, bright view touch, or anti-glare touch. You can also choose the WUXGA display option with 1000 nits, anti-glare, non-touch, or bright view touch. Furthermore, there's a 3K, 2K OLED LCD display at 400 nits. For this particular laptop, there's a maximum of 2 terabytes of M.2 PCIe Gen 4 standard or encrypted SSD drive options. This particular version is the natural silver version. It includes a Wi-Fi 6E dual band adapter and an optional onboard M.2 WW-WAN with 4G or 5G connectivity. In addition, HP states that this laptop will fast charge to 50% in 30 minutes with a 96-watt adapter. Furthermore, HP mentions that the keyboard is backlit. Also, this particular laptop weighs in at 2.2 pounds or 0.999 kilograms. In this slate blue version, this particular laptop also includes a combination headphone microphone jack. Furthermore, HP provides a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. In this natural silver version, there is also an HDMI 2.0 interface. Also, if you would like to transfer files, an HP Nano SIM card interface is included. In this particular slate blue version of the HP DragonFly G4, on the right-hand side of the laptop, going from left to right, we have a Kensington lock, a USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with 40 gigabits of speed, and also power, display, and charging capabilities. In addition, we have a USB 3.1 charging port and a combination headphone microphone port. In this particular natural silver version, we have the left side of the laptop, which is shown. In addition, we're going left to right, and we have an HDMI 2.0 interface, nano SIM card interface, a USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with 40 gigabits of speed with power, display, and charging capabilities. In this slate blue version, we also have the same ports as the natural silver version, but we wanted to show you what the slate blue version looks like. This is the natural silver version, and we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop. And once again, we're going from left to right. And the ports that we have are the Kensington lock port, the USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with 40 gigabits of speed, and it includes power, display, and charging capabilities. Also, a USB 3.1 charging port and a combination headphone microphone port. This is the slate blue version again, and once again, this has the same ports as the natural silver version. This is the natural silver version again, and we're on the right-hand side of the laptop this time. And going from left to right, we have a Kensington lock, a USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with 40 gigabytes of speed, also power, display, and charging capabilities. In addition, a USB 3.1 charging port and a combination headphone microphone port is included. Once again, this is the slate blue version, and this slate blue version has the same port selection as the natural silver version. Once again, the natural silver version. This is the left side of the laptop, and this particular HP DragonFly G4 has an HDMI 2.0 interface, a nano SIM card interface, and USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with 40 gigabits of speed and power, display, and charging capabilities. This is the slate blue version, and it has the same ports as the natural silver version. On the top portion of the picture, we have the left side of the laptop, and on the bottom portion, we have the right side of the laptop. This is the natural silver version, and on the top portion of the laptop, going from left to right, we have an HDMI 2.0 interface, a nano SIM card interface, a USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with 40 gigabits per second of speed, with also power, display, and charging capabilities. On the bottom picture, as mentioned before, we have the right side of the laptop. And with this port selection, we have a Kensington lock, a USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with 40 gigabytes of speed, power, display, and charging capabilities. In addition, we have a USB 3.1 charging port and a combination headphone microphone port. This is the slate blue version, and it includes the same ports as the natural silver version. Whether this laptop is tantalizing. One of the things that we want to do is go into detail in the next couple of slides in terms of whether we feel that the features are tantalizing. But before we get to that, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. And now, the decision as to whether this laptop is tantalizing. We have the verdict, and it's tantalizing. The reason why this laptop is tantalizing is because of the processors. It has Intel 13th gen processors. It has a 5 megapixel 88-degree field of view camera with sure privacy shutter. It has a 3K, 2K OLED LCD display at 400 nits. It has a screen to body ratio of 90%. It has a Wi-Fi 6E dual band adapter. It has a Bluetooth 5.3 adapter. And additionally, it comes with optional 4G or 5G connectivity. I've also included comments for monotonous or unalluring features, so feel free to look at those at your leisure. Other tantalizing features include two USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports with 40 gigabits of speed, power, display, and charging capabilities, a headphone microphone combination port. In addition, this laptop only weighs 2.2 pounds or 0.999 kilograms. Furthermore, this laptop will fast charge to 50% in 30 minutes with 96-watt adapter. Furthermore, it comes with the 2 terabytes of M2 PCIe Gen 4 standard or encrypted SSD drives. Other tantalizing features are the slate blue color. Typically, laptops might come in like natural silver or, shadow black, but this particular lap actually has a slate blue color. Furthermore, it has a nano SIM card interface. In addition, the keyboard is backlit and spill resistant. It also has a multi-touch gesture support with the click pad. And also it has passed 19 of the military durability test. Once again, I'd like to thank you for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Christopher. Once again, if you feel that this video is tantalizing, leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.